If you want long-lasting, frizz-free, defined, and voluminous curls, welcome to my channel. Here is my curly hair routine. Hi Vogue, it's the Real Star. God, I wish. I'm manifesting for that day to come where I could be like, hey Vogue, it's the Real Star, and I'm here to show you my beauty tips. Anyways, that's not this video, but I am going to show you my curly routine. So if you want to get your hair to look like from this to this, today's video is going to be me showing you how to do my curly hair. I love my curly hair. I was obviously born with it. Hashtag blessed. It's been a winding river, let's just say. I have gone through lots of ups and downs. I decided to get a clown cut. Oh! And I've been growing my hair back ever since, cutting it that short. Anyways, I'm really excited to show you guys my curly hair routine because I'm actually in like a very good space with it. And I've been getting consistent results with the products I've been using. So I'm going to show you what I do so you guys can maybe get some help or some inspiration for my routine. The first step of my routine starts in the shower. I shampoo, condition, and depending on the week, I do a like deep cleanser, deep shampoo, condition, whatever. It's to help moisture because I have drier hair, and especially in the winter, it's just awful. So I start there, and then as soon as I get out of the shower, I put in my leave-in conditioner, this guy, just from here down, nowhere close to my roots, because I will get product buildup super quickly. But I've had it sitting for a while because I like to do my skincare at 8. Anyways, so now I have my spray bottle, and now I'm going to re-wet my hair until it's basically sopping wet. One thing that I like to do, which is like kind of a little hack, is use my little brush, get it wet, and brush through my hair, and that makes my hair wet a lot faster than a water bottle does. My hair is now completely wet. The next thing I like to do after wetting my hair is to section my hair. I like to section off the top part and focus on the bottom half. Okay, my hair is completely sectioned off now. I start with the Quiet Calm Curl Control from Innersense. I love this brand. It's certified organic, and like I said before, I'm a big organic girly. So I put about this much into one side of my hair, making sure I don't really touch the roots and just do through the mid to the end. Every time I add product, I add a little bit more water just to make sure my hair is super wet and can easily absorb the product I'm putting in. Then I brush through, and then I section again. This section I do basically the very bottom layer to the top layer. And then I can work on this part. I use the Create Hold from Innersense as well, and putting on just a very small bit for my hair. And I make sure to spray that bit with water. I stay away from my roots and then use my brush, make sure to distribute everything from my hair. Then I section again and work my brush into small sections to create the curls I am happy with. Okay, this is one side done, and now I'm going to do the other side. Same process of wetting, curl cream, and some gel. And then I'm going to start on the top. I just finished the top part of my... No, I just finished the bottom half of my hair, and now I'm going to do the top, which for me, I feel like it's a little bit more labor intensive because I feel like it just hurts my neck, because I have to do a lot of looking down. It's not that comfortable, but I get good results from doing it this way. So, beauty's pain, as they say. Anyways, the first thing I like to do is take out my hair, which I always get stuck. Oh my god, look at that. My hair always gets stuck on these claw clips. And then, it's not that much hair if you can tell. I have a good line, but what I like to do is re-wet it. Like the bottom half, I use my brush, which I just have some running water on, and get it completely wet again. It still does have my leave-in conditioner slash detangler, which does help the process, so I'm not actually brushing out any tangles, I'm just re-wetting. And this is what my hair looks like when it's drier without any product. So. Now that my hair is super wet, I like to section off just this little piece. Just like that, because this piece gets frizzy super easily, so I do not want any frizz. So I style this one a little bit differently than the rest of my head. Now that these strands are done, I am going to do the top part of my hair. I am going to take out this damn claw clip. Basically start from the back, working all the way to the front. I was a silly goose and I stopped recording and I didn't realize I didn't start it again. So this is my footage of me doing the top section of my hair because it is a different process than the bottom. And basically I am parting like vertically instead in like a vertical line and then raking it through, shaking it, and then sometimes I scrunch. Usually the last step, I scrunch in a little bit of gel at the bottom, but making sure not to put a lot of gel on my roots. And that's it, honestly. It is a little bit later now and I'm going to diffuse my hair because I do not want to sleep with wet hair, and it also helps to build some volume in my case. But I don't do it every single time I wash my hair. It's every once in a while because I don't want to be putting a lot of heat on my hair. But to speed up the process today, I am going to diffuse it. Okay, this is after diffusing. It's still just a little bit damp. It will get more voluminous overnight because I put it in just a high pony in a silk scrunchie and then my bonnet. And then the next day, boom, it puffs up and it looks gorgeous. Okay, it is the next day. I did my nails last night. So if you're wondering, oh my god, wait, her nails just changed. I literally just had to do them last night because they were a little bit too long. Yeah. Anyways, this is the big unravel, reveal, big reveal. Oh my god, look how cool my hair looks like that. I am very happy with how the definition looks just from here. I haven't taken up yet. I slept in my bonnet, and this is my little silk scrunchie that I always wear, my go-to scrunchie. It's like tight enough where it doesn't like slip throughout the night. Anyways, let's take it out. Okay. Okay, I am in love with the results. I can very easily move my hair around, which is always the want. I personally like having it kind of a little bit side parted on this way because it doesn't give me a middle part, which is exactly what I don't want. And I do think it kind of frames my face better when it is in kind of a side part. I have lots of different layers, and there are some pieces that I still have to kind of like tuck and weave, I like to call it. And it's pretty perfect. I'm very happy with my results. I tend to wash my hair about every 7 days, maybe 5, depending on the type of week I had, or if I have something coming up this like during the weekend. It depends on the day, but most times I usually wash my hair either Monday or Tuesday, but sometimes it's a Thursday, depending on what my week looks like. Okay fam, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so easy and so exciting to do because I do my hair every week. What? Anyways, if you guys like these types of videos, leave a like, share, comment, tell me what type of videos you want from me. I'm literally open to anything except skydiving. Please, no, please. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye fam!